Okay, so now that you know how to blend some words, let's work on. Okay, now that you know how to blend letters together to form a sound, now let's work on breaking words down into syllables. Now, the more familiar you are with the vocabulary, the more you enhance your vocabulary, the easier this will be. But if not, don't worry about it because you are learning and you are already doing so great. So I would like to show you how to break words into syllables to help us read the word. So the CH in French makes the sound sh, sh, okay? And then we had already seen the Z, which is A. So we have sh and A. We have sh and A. Okay? Here we have the sh and here I have the A. So it's she. Okay? That's one syllable. She. Okay? If we had a word like chercher, we have two syllables. We have char and she. Okay? Again, once you know the vocabulary, if you were to actually place your hand under your chin, and every time your chin hits your hand, that would be one syllable. For example, here, chercher, which means looking, you would go chercher, two syllables. Or you can clap your hands, chercher. That's another strategy that might work for you. Okay, so you have chercher, chercher. Okay. Here you have two syllables, jouer, jouer. Here, mouton, mouton. Here, mama. Here, lire, lire.